Wolves they roll, can't escape the bite of mosquitoes, Arctic summer day long and endless. The second sun burns the wilderness. Hot, it also makes these blood-sucking mosquitoes go crazy. They are voraciously sucking all the way ahead. The wolves are chasing hard behind. The wilderness is boundless. However, after settling in with 2 children, careless, he went straight out for food. Completely forgot the little son and haunt a cave wait until the wolf mother and wilderness interwoven into an anxious search. Cat finally, after an 8-hour search, they found a new classmate. The wolf mother. The wolves howled in unison, calling out to the lost cubs. They have always been known for their unity. We'll never give up on any. Find their relatives. In case of another accident before leaving, the wolf mother will send 2 cubs entrusted to the care of his best sister. But in this vast wilderness, looking for a lost cub, it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. This lost wolf, gradually becoming desperate, hunger gnawed at his stomach sack. The cold eroded his body temperature. Loneliness almost swallowed him up. Every minute goes by. The wolves in the distance are still tirelessly searching. But the faint cry of the wolf boy can't get here at all. Perhaps only the throbbing of blood to penetrate the vast distance and indescribable unease driving the wolf mother to change in another direction. Search alone. The wind is rumored. The messenger who delivered the message was stingy at the moment, refused to send a single sound into the distance. The wolf mother can only rely on her own intuition and a mother's instinct. He sped up, rushing towards the direction summoned in the dark. Every step is a mix of uncertainty and hope. Every hopeless. It crushed the last bit of courage of the wolf cub to wait. He struggled to get out of that, gave him a brief warm refuge, stumbled on the unknown road to find your mother. Like a final wish, he exhausted the remaining breath in his lungs. There was a loud howl against the canyon. Fate favors this moment. Young vibrato echoes in the empty canyon collision. Finally, it accurately arrived at the mother's ear. 3 long and arduous days of searching. Finally, at this moment, ushered in a heart-shaking and as if to comfort. But now is not the time to be gentle. In this wilderness, there are still many unknown dangers hidden. He must hurry up and take the cub, take them back safely to their new home. When the wolf mother takes the figure of the wolf cub, when appearing at the entrance to the new cave, the whole pack is boiling. Pent-up worry turned into a deafening joy. It's not just about celebrating the return of a member, it is a tribute to the miracle of life. Just at this moment, the wolf bully who went out to be stressed also came back with food. The little guy swarmed, he gobbled it up. The joy of survival make this meal extra satisfying, and the beginning of the brave wolf tyrant, it's Taiwandai everything with a warm hue. The list of survival is never ending. However, the warmth that licks the wound, the call that resounds through the wilderness, the search that never gives up, and the unity and watchfulness that surges in the blood of the wolves is to pierce the endless cold night, the warm light that illuminates the thorns ahead.